Okay, so we're talking about leadership. Now, if you ask me, after reading so many books on leadership, meeting great leaders, going around, seeing people, if you ask me, it all comes to two things when it comes to leadership. One is having care for other people, bringing people together, working with people, working to a point where people like to be in your company. You give them a positive energy. That's number one. Actually, this is number two. Number one is that great leaders, they have a certain pain in their heart. Deep down inside, it is very amazing. You'll have to think about it. What I'm going to say now, you really have to dive into it. They have a certain pain in their heart. They want to see something changed. They can feel somewhere that there's something wrong and I need to fix it. And many times they themselves don't discover it.
But why do they have to have a pain in their heart?
This is gift of Allah. This is the pain that Prophet Muhammad ﷺ had. You know, before he got prophethood, that's what he used to think around. That why all this evil and injustice in the society? And Surah Iqra, Iqra Bismi Rabbikal Ladzi Khalaq, the first surah that revealed, after the opening few ayahs, it talks about it, which we never discuss. It talks about exactly the same reason, that you see people unjust in the society. You see people not caring for other people. And one day they will have to answer. They will be questioned and they will be answered. And they don't appreciate, and it talks about people who are praying and they are virtuous and they have piety. And other peoples, they are not respecting for them for their piety and virtuousness. And that exactly what hurt Prophet. And all the leaders, they had this certain pain in themselves. This pain is the greatest gift that Allah gives to His selected people. And then they rise up. And then they bring people together and they bring a change. Two greatest virtues of great leaders.